In this short video, I'll guide you on unlocking your iPhone without a passcode or a computer. Imagine being locked out of your device and not having access to a computer. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, I'll walk you through simple methods to unlock your iPhone. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, like unlocking their iPhones when they're locked out. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone without needing a passcode or computer. Stay with me until the end to learn how to fix iPhone unavailable after entering the wrong passcode multiple times. Now, let's get started with the methods to unlock your iPhone without a passcode or computer. The first method is by erasing the iPhone. This is a great option if you remember your Apple ID details and your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or later. Here's how to proceed. After several failed passcode attempts, an Erase iPhone option will appear at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on it and sign out using your Apple ID. This will reset your iPhone completely, deleting all data but unlocking it in the process. If you have a backup, you can restore your iPhone later. Check our step-by-step video tutorial on how to restore an iPhone. This method works without a computer and is quite simple. Many users often ask, how do I reset my iPhone if the screen is locked, or how do you factory reset an iPhone without logging in? This solution addresses those questions. Before we move on to the next method, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Apple tips. Now, let's continue with how to unlock iPhone without passcode or Face ID. The second method is to use Find My iPhone via iCloud. If you previously enabled Find My iPhone, you can erase and unlock your iPhone remotely using this method. Here's how. Using another iOS device or by visiting iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple ID. Click on Find iPhone and select your locked device. Then, tap Erase iPhone to unlock it remotely. As before, you can restore the iPhone from a backup if you have one. Check our linked video on how to restore an iPhone. This method is ideal if you don't have your iPhone handy or can't use a computer. It addresses questions like, can you factory reset a locked iPhone? But what if the iPhone is already displaying iPhone unavailable and you want to fix this without losing data? No worries. In the video linked here, I'll walk you through the easy steps to fix device unavailable on iPhone, iPad, or Apple Vision Pro. Tap to watch it after this video. To explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.